Most people see this as trash. But hidden inside is a material valuable enough to be reborn again and again. Within minutes, discarded metal begins an extraordinary transformation powered by heat, precision, and engineering.
It isn't just recycling, it's one of the fastest manufacturing transformations on Earth.
Welcome to Inside Factory Official, where we break down real-world insights that help you make smarter decisions every day. Every single day, millions of aluminum cans are thrown away. But inside this factory, they begin an incredible journey.
Before recycling can begin, every can must pass through advanced sorting systems that separate aluminum from What happens next is astonishing. Powerful industrial shredders reduce thousands of aluminum cans in transformations. Now the transformation reaches its most dramatic stage. Under extreme temperatures, thousands of engines.
What you're seeing now is the most dramatic stage of the entire process. Under extreme heat, discarded aluminum is
carefully poured into massive molds, where precision and timing determine the quality of every piece that follows. Next, the newly formed aluminum is shaped under tremendous pressure, creating perfectly uniform sheets with incredible. Before moving forward, every sheet is carefully inspected using advanced automated systems that check for
After hours of transformation, the recycled aluminum has become massive, precision-engineered coils, ready to begin an entirely new manufacturing journey. The recycled aluminum now enters one of the most precise manufacturing processes, where massive coils begin their transformation into millions of brand-new cans.
Every movement is measured with extraordinary accuracy. Thousands of perfectly shaped aluminum discs are produced. In just moments, flat aluminum becomes the familiar shape seen around the world, thanks to extraordinary undefendless. What began as discarded waste has now become an endless of brand new aluminum cans, produced.
Every can receives a microscopic protective coating that preserves quality and prevents the aluminum from directly contacting the beverage. Powerful automated inspection systems examine every can with extraordinary precision, ensuring only flawless products move forward. Within hours, recycled aluminum has become millions of finished cans, ready to begin a brand new journey.
From this factory, millions of cans begin their journey to stores and customers around the world. What once seemed like ordinary waste has completed an extraordinary transformation, proving that engineering and input, every recycled can saves valuable resources and begins another journey. What seems ordinary today.
This is more than recycling. It's one of the world's most remarkable manufacturing transformations. Thanks for watching.